Hi, and welcome to another session of using Blackboard in the classroom. Today we are going to be looking at building content through an item, specifically an item with an embedded HTML code so that the item that we are looking at shows up directly on the content page, and it will, in this case, be updated on a regular basis anytime an edit is made to the particular assignment in Google. It will also update in Blackboard without having to do anything else. So we're going to start by clicking on Build Content, and we're going to choose to create an item. I'm going to name the item Team Agenda. This is the item that I'm going to be pulling over today. In order to add a team agenda, which we have already created as a team using a Google slideshow presentation, I just need to bring over the HTML code. Well, to get the HTML code, I'm going to go back to the actual agenda. I'm opening that in another tab. And to find the HTML code, I click on File. I go down to Publish to the Web. Because this is already published, all I have to do is click on Embed to get the code. If you are trying to embed something that has not already been published, you would need to click this Publish button down here, and then it's going to have you go through some steps to accept that it's being published to the web, and then you can click on Embed. Once you click on Embed, you need to copy and paste the entire amount of text located in the text frame, and then use Control-C, your keyboard shortcuts, to make a copy of it. You can close that window out, or you can go directly back to Blackboard. In Blackboard, inside the text box, I have all kinds of options for things I can add. I want to choose to add HTML code. When the HTML code view window pops up, I'm going to use another keyboard shortcut, Control-V, to paste in all of the HTML code for that particular item. Once I click Update, this yellow pane inside the text box tells me that my team agenda that I pulled over from Google is now going to show up for students when they enter that content area. I don't need to add anything else, and users are already permitted to view this content that is hard-coded, so I'm going to click Submit. Now you can see that the team agenda is set so that whenever students enter this particular content area, the first thing they see is the team agenda. And anytime any changes are made to the team agenda outside of Blackboard, it will automatically update inside Blackboard. That is it for today's lesson on embedding using HTML coding. Stay tuned for more videos showing you how to upload more content items in Blackboard.